Don't wait for spring to do your spring cleaning. Winter is a great time to get your home in order, whether you're thinking of moving this year or maybe in 5 years. Get the work done now and don't leave it for your kids to take care of. Joining us with more information is Dilly from Downsizing Solutions. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, Rick.
So tell us about Downsizing Solutions. What do you do?
We're a full-service moving company. However, we specialize in the downsizing. We help seniors, mostly seniors, move into retirement living or downsize, and then we donate everything that they can't take with them. And we donate to women moving out of Halton Women's Place. We donate to new refugee families. Oh my God, they're lovely. Yeah, because everybody has stuff. You start in your basement, you start in the garage, and a storage locker. So the big thing that I'm finding these days is that most people have storage lockers.
Wow.
And you might be paying $500 or $600 a month. Like, add that up.
That's costly.
And every storage locker has suitcases and golf clubs and Christmas trees and old paint. I don't even have this paint in my house anymore.
Now, listen, you had an individual who came to you to say, I want to help my parents.
Yes.
This is great for seniors.
Yes. Fabulous. So we had a gentleman contact me just before Christmas this year. He said, I want to give my parents 12 months of downsizing. So he bought 12 gift certificates, and every month we're going in and we're doing one room per month. And that way it's not so overwhelming for the parents, and we can get it done. And then he said, I said, what a great Christmas present for your parents. He said, oh, no. This is a Christmas present for me.
Because he doesn't want the stuff.
He doesn't want the stuff.
Right.
And none of the kids want our stuff. My kids don't want my silverware. They want my brand new car. You know, so don't leave it for your kids. And we see so many, adults, kids who their parents pass away or something happens. They have a slip and fall or the health goes, bad, and they're left. They're mourning their parents, and they also have all the stuff they have to take care of, and they resent it, and it's too much for them.
And so we have examples here on the table where you get buried by things that are in your basement or garage. And do you take virtually everything? And I'm pointing to this item in the front. Because that's a bit of a special item here.
So we have actually seen ashes of people. Now, this is ashes of my ex-husbands. I have 3 ex-husbands, but there's only 2 in there. Okay? So I don't know where the first one is anymore. Yeah, so get it done, take care of it now, and it's a great feeling. You come in and you know when you clean your house or you organize the garage, it feels fabulous. Yeah.
So in terms of items that you pick up, do you pick up virtually everything? Everything. Okay.
Yeah, and so we can do toxic waste. Anything that I can donate, I will donate. I have a storage locker at Access Storage, and people come and we open up the door and say, take it, it's yours, it's free, and it gives people such a great feeling that their dining room set that they raised their family with, now it's going to another family, and somebody else is going to raise their family. I try and put nothing in landfill. I can't stand the thought of anything going. Sometimes I have to, if there's a recliner that's been lived in for 60 years.
It's end of life and is not going to get used.
Yeah, it's had its
Is there a more common place in the home that people say, all right, start here? Is it the garage? Is it the basement?
The basement.
It is.
Always the basement and then the garage. Yeah.
And then the storage unit, that's costing you money.
It's a waste of money.
Right.
Look at this. So you can buy this for $3 somewhere, and you're paying $500 a month to store it. And my kids are 35 and 33. I just save that in case they have kids.
Do you find that there's sometimes an emotional attachment to some items that people don't want to get rid of?
It's very hard. And the hardest part of my job is telling people that their Royal Daltons aren't worth anything, their crystal and their china isn't worth anything anymore. So don't waste your time trying to sell it on Marketplace. Donate it.
And so why is winter a good time to do this?
Oh, well, why wait for spring? Because spring is beautiful. You want to be out in the garden. Let's do it now while the snow's not falling. Thanks, Brian. But when the snow's falling, when it's cold outside, when you don't want to go out, slip and falls for seniors, let's get in your house where it's warm and let's clean up now.
Where can we get more information?
Downsizing-solutions.ca.
All right, it's a great website to start. Get your spring cleaning underway now during the winter. Mary, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Rick. It was fun.
Thank you for watching Morning Live. More after the break.